Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to our journey through Stoic living. Today we're diving into Chapter 76, The Sacred Part of Yourself, from our ongoing series on this incredible book of Stoic wisdom. The focal point today is a powerful quote from Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, which says, "Handle with care the ability to form your own beliefs. This ability is entirely responsible for ensuring that the guiding principle within you does not develop any beliefs that are inconsistent with the nature and structure of a rational being." It also prescribes that we should not be hasty in making decisions, treat people with goodwill, and obey the gods. This is Meditations 3.9. So, what does this mean for us in our modern lives? Let's break this down together. First, consider the extraordinary gift we have, the ability to think rationally and form our own beliefs. Think about it. This isn't something everyone has the privilege to do freely. Some are restricted by external circumstances, others by their internal limitations. The very fact that you can reason through different situations, read this book, and even engage with these ideas is a remarkable capability. The author urges us to value this ability deeply, noting, "The fact that you have the ability to think, that you can read this book, that you can reason in various circumstances, gives you the opportunity to improve the situation and become better. It is important to value this ability. It is a genuine capability. Not everyone is so fortunate." In our hectic lives, it's easy to take these abilities for granted. But today, let's pause and genuinely appreciate them. Reflect on how your rational mind allows you to navigate not just your personal challenges, but also to positively impact the lives of those around you. This leads us to the heart of today's message. With power comes responsibility. You see, your rational mind should be a guardian of wisdom, ensuring your beliefs align with reason, nature, and virtue. It's your guiding principle, the core of who you are as a rational being. Marcus Aurelius warns us to handle this ability with care. That means not rushing decisions, treating others with goodwill, and following the higher principles, whether you interpret these as divine commands or simply higher truths. In practical terms, how can we apply this today? Here are a few actionable steps. 1. Pause before you believe. Before accepting any new belief, examine its consistency with rational thinking and ethical behavior. Ask yourself, does this belief align with the kind of person I aspire to be? 2. Slow down decision-making. Don't be in haste to make decisions. Reflect and deliberate. This patience often leads to wiser choices, reducing the likelihood of regret. 3. Cultivate goodwill. Treat others with kindness and respect. This stems from understanding that every individual you encounter carries their own struggles and stories. 4. Align with higher principles. Whether you view these as divine commandments or rational ideals, commit to principles that uplift not just yourself, but the community around you. As the author sums up, take some time today to remember that you are endowed with the ability to use logic and reason to navigate different situations. This gives you an unimaginable opportunity to change your life and the lives of others. Indeed, our ability to reason isn't just a personal asset, it's a tool for communal improvement. And let's remember, with great power, this power of rational thought, comes great responsibility. Use your intellect not merely for personal gain, but to foster a sense of connection, understanding, and progress in the broader human family. Friends, let's make a conscious effort today to value our rational minds and use them wisely. Reflect on how you can harness this gift to make sound decisions, treat others with kindness, and stay aligned with your highest principles. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Remember, we're all on this Stoic journey together. Until next time, stay resilient, stay disciplined, and stay serene. I'm Alexius Varro, and I'll see you in the next episode.